If you love nature and unique birds, meet the American white pelican, Pelecanus erythrorhynchos. Found across North America, these birds are ecosystem superheroes. With striking white and black feathers, they're a sight to behold. Their cooperative fishing is legendary. They scoop up fish using their massive bills, teamwork at its finest. And those bills? Bright orange during breeding season. Nesting in colonies, they lay 2 eggs on isolated islands. Their chicks? Super cute and super hungry. Currently, they're classified as least concern, but habitat loss keeps conservationists on their toes. Fun fact, they migrate long distances using thermals to glide. You'll often find them in synchronized flight or resting in groups. The American white pelican is a